mean, there are people in this world that live off the grid, live off the land, that they may have a little bit of money, but more than likely they don't, but they're probably much happier than we are.
Do you need money to survive?
Yes and no. Depends on what you define as survival. I mean, there are people in this world that live off the grid, live off the land, that they may have a little bit of money, but more than likely they don't, but they're probably much happier than we are. So I think depends on what type of life you want to live, but I think it's doable either way.
Thanks, Brett. Jake, maybe 10 seconds.
I'm pretty sure Brett Favre could live off the land without any money. I would be closer probably than you, Tony, but certainly, I grew up farming. We grew our own vegetables. We ate, homemade butter beans every night and tomatoes and all that kind of stuff. We didn't have a pot to piss in, and we had a wonderful life. So, but it does sometimes make things easier. And in today's world, certainly my kids with all the technology and everything, they wouldn't know how to grow up the way I did or Brett did. So in today's world, I think I have to have money to raise kids to be functional in this high technology system we've got.